2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some awesome Willie Nelson on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again, like a lot of people. So let's learn this song. Good memories. Alright, we got an E major happening. The song is in E major. We're in standard tuning. 1, 2, 3. To an A flat 7 bar chord. So you gotta bar all those strings. 4th fret. 3rd finger on the 6th fret. And 2nd finger on the G string. And then we have an F sharp minor. Let's see. F sharp minor. Gonna bar all strings. 2nd fret. 3rd finger. 4th finger. A major, B major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the strumming is. Move to the A flat, F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, A major, B major, and then chorus, A major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E major, back to A major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Verse. E major, do do do, A flat 7, da 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 da, F sharp minor, A major to B major. Chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, E major. Go back to A. E is a little shorter there every time. Two parts of this song. Let's do one more time. Come on. A flat. On the road again. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome songs. Take it easy. Be safe. Thank you.